Welcome to Omar Craft, Part 3. Do you know all the rules, yes or no? Good job. So, oh, this hot weather. So, are you sure you will survive a heat wave? Good job. Your reward is a water bottle. It survives you from heat waves. Drink it. Oh! Okay, just kidding. Oh, drink the water. Drink the water now. Drink the water now. Good job. So you drink all the water, and your reward is 3 leaves. You also survive. You can make a whole pot. Be careful, they might eat you. And those fire ants. Collect a shovel. Can't collect shovel unless you complete and cross the 3. Do not to mine tires. Mine. Ow. Ow. Shit. So you can't mine tire. Your reward is a mini bow. Your mini bow broke. The reward is a hammer. Oh, you can use a hammer later, but are you gonna use it now? Yes or no? Good job. You have a hammer gun. Shoot it to an enemy. Or you can switch us to a laser. Well, it's way too heavy. Leave hammer here. Don't you sticky. It's a weak weapon. You're level 3 now. You can choose strong weapons. Holy shit, oh, hot! Stones are hot! You need shoes! Now you don't have shoes! So bad! I hope you subscribe and check out more videos! Or this! You love will make you laugh! Mama, I'm not wearing my mask, so I wear my sunglasses. I wear my sunglasses. Hot. It's way too hot. Ah! Holy shit! Ah! Oh, burn my foot. Oh my god! Oh, gotta tell my mom before she kills me. Bye! Hope you subscribe. for more Omar craf videos. So let's go back into Omar craf. Are you sure? Are you sure you want sons? Are you sure you want lotion for your feet? Oh, your reward is lotion. Oh, that's not lotion. That's for nails. Too bad. Water bottle flip. Oh, too bad. You can't. Boom! You're banned from the server. You get out. Oh my god! Before we kill you, bye. Obviously, oh wait, stupid bird.